John Henry Hager was an American politician who served as the 37th Lieutenant Governor of Virginia from 1998 to 2002. He was the first person with a disability to be elected to that office. He proceeded to act as an assistant secretary within the United States Department of Education from 2004 to 2007. He also served as the chairman of the Republican Party of Virginia from August 2007 until May 2008. Hager was born in Durham, North Carolina. He started a neighborhood newspaper in 1945. While an undergraduate at Purdue University, he ran a vending machine business, was an active member of Sigma Alpha Epsilon, and was a member of ROTC. One term, his course load was 25 credit hours, about two-thirds more than normal. He graduated with a BSME in 1958. Both his parents, Virgil and Ruth Rab Hager, were 1928 Purdue alumni. Hager earned his MBA at Harvard in 1960 and subsequently served in the United States Army, rising to the rank of captain. Hager married Margaret Dickinson Maggie Chase on February 27, 1971, with whom he has two sons, John and Henry. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.